Okay, today in Visual Studio Code, we'll go through the process how to add folder or your software or your GitHub downloaded file to your workspace, how to add multiple software or multiple folder on your workspace, how to save them, how to open a terminal and work individually on your folders or individual softwares, how to close workspace or close any project, how to open it again, how to remove a folder from a workspace, and how to save them. Okay, let's start. First of all, go to Files, then add folder to workspace, and current folder in Documents, workspace test folder, test folder 1. Simply export and test folder 1 is here. You can see my files in task folder. Becomers is empty. Okay, now add another. Again, add folder to workspace. Folder 2. First another project. Another project files are here. Okay, now let's add another one. GitHub downloaded file, maybe your or clone files. Add. Okay, you can see there are two different software here. Okay, we have added multiple folders and files. Now, how to save workspace? Let's save those workspace. After editing and modifying, just click on Save Workspace and choose your folder. I will save here. Okay, now suppose I'll start coding on that particular part. Okay, now then click here and new terminal, and in which software you usually wanted to work, just click that particular files. Okay, that is folder 2. So I'll select for closing any particular folder, particular project. Just click that project folder and simply go to Files and remove folder from workspace to remove any particular project. And to clean all the projects, just go to Files and close workspace. That will clean all the projects open on that particular folders and all the projects you have been working on. And as you can see, Visual Studio is now clean. All the projects are gone. So, if you wanted to get back those files, just go to your saved work file. Not this time, not folder. Click on Files because you had saved a file. Now, okay, just simply click that and open it. That's it. Now, as you can see, your particular projects are reopened, and that's it.